powerful steam, freeing the village from its icy grip. I won't rest until everything.
Good morning.
I envision the cage walls cracking, my escape. This plan takes courage.
Yung partner ata niya nandoon sa kwarto,
Just
baby.
need to set the dynamite and detonate
No?
it at the right moment. This is my chance. I won't miss
Sabi
it.
niya magkalat daw siya.
I must get it
Pa?
right. Every move must be precise to avoid jeopardizing my escape.
Sabi niya, Mami, I wanna make a mess.
Strategizing my escape.
Papaalam pa ang Kaden pag nagkakalat no, baby, no?
You can't contain me. I'll find my dragon and soar
Wow.
to
Ano to, baby? Ano to po?
confidence surges.
A baby
Nothing can
pterodactyl.
stop me.
Baby
My dragon awaits,
pterodactyl.
his fiery breath clearing every
Nagtayo ang buhok mo, baby, oh.
I'm ready for any challenge
Baby,
to
nagtayo ang
reclaim my
buhok mo.
power and liberty.
Baby
My
Kuy.
heart pounds with the
Ganda ako ng
I'll show you my dragon.
kain namin.
Power Mason. I'm ready to fight and prove lava can't
Nagutom
stand
na
against
ako.
us.
Bebe!
We would need them.
Hey Mikey, wait for me.
Ikaw lang po ang kainin namin.
Okay, and we can go back. Oh, hello.
Kung magtinapay na lang kami or
Guys,
mag-rice.
everything is ready. You can sit down. But first, Mikey will fly.
JJ, I'm a little worried. This rocket is...
It's going to be a real bumpy ride. Great.
Anan.
It's my turn to get
Ha, magtinapay na lang tayo, baby.
flight. I think I will fly to that
Galing ako sa words kagabi.
in a different portal and there is a completely different task here.
Here you just need to go through this parkour and you and I will get to another portal. You and I will easily pass because these are not traps towards the end. Oh, great. We did it. I didn't think it would be so difficult, but we
I want to become very rich. JJ, you're so weird. A little adventure awaits us here.
unnoticed and get into the portal. Use it.
I've been thinking about the good times. I've been sleeping through the long nights. I've been shining in the sunlight. I've been thinking how I'm alright. There's a reason for my feelings. There's a reason why I'm healing. Yeah, I feel higher than the ceiling. All because of you. You and I were so sweet, so sweet. Talking till we asleep, asleep. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. But you really get me, make me fall to my knees, my knees. Every night I fall deep, but love, yeah. Wait a minute, don't you leave me before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah, wait a minute, I can let you go before I kiss ya. Wait a minute, I just need a minute or two. I should catch up on my reading, I should catch up on my eating, yeah. But it's hard to keep a thought straight with you all up in my face. Try to get you out my mind, but why should I when you're all I really like, yeah. I feel higher than a mountain, all because of you. You and I was
Pagkain ni Kaden. Kainin ko na to siya.
There's a garage here. Let's go close.
Here, I need to...
Mikey, come here quickly. There's a lot of We did it great. Hey, look, there's a portal, and it will help us get out of here.
JJ, great. Come on. You jump into the portal first and then... I want my prop.
wait a minute, don't you leave before I get to kiss ya. Wait a minute, I don't wanna be without you. Yeah.
Kain. Lama.
A plane!
Bunnings. Tsaka town siguro. Saan na yung ano ko? Wala. Liwanag. Lipstick nga muna ako saglit. Liwanag. Nahanap ko yung isa kong salamin. Hindi ko alam kung saan ko nalagay. Hindi ko alam kung gumagana pa rin ba tong Apple ano ko. AirTag ko. Hindi ko siya pagka nahanap ko siya, hindi siya nagtutunog eh. Kailangan siguro ng bagong battery. Gumagana pa to. Saan na yung ano? Ayun. Hi! Dito kami sa Banes.
Dito kami sa yours? Hey, eat yours!
It's okay, baby.
I'm eating mine.
Tintin, yummy.
I'm hungry.
Yeah, yummy.
Dito kami, malis kami.
Stop now.
It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Spot na.
Sit ikaw, dali. Sit ikaw. Sit ikaw, please. Yummy. Sit ikaw, baby. Dali na.
Get out, get out. Can I eating it?
Galing sila dyan, sa may playground.
Nakita ko dito pa muna.
Maganda yung weather ngayon. You don't like this
I
one?
didn't eat it in the store.
Ah. Yummy. Thank
What's
you.
it?
Yummy, baby.
I'm now not here now.
Bebe.
I want to see it.
Ang daming tao sa labas. No? Ay, sa Bunnings. No, Leng? Si Charmel walang pasok, no? Dami. Dibe? Yummy.
I write you an egg, a baby egg, a mommy egg, a brother egg, and a tiny egg.
Ano pa po?
A mommy egg, a brother one, a baby one, no dragon, a mommy one, a brother one, a baby one. That's a baby egg.
Hindi ko alam kung saan kami pupunta.
Mama there.
Hindi ko nga alam eh.
Baby,
Hindi pa sumasagot si ate. Ano pa yun siya ng ano. Ay, be, Leng, lagyan mo nga siya ng ano. Ito, ng tubig niya.
Do you want water? Say water. Good job. That's how you say water. Means too big, okay? Mommy, can I have some water? Ikaw. Say, Mommy, can I have some water?
Water.
American. Mommy, can I have some water, please?
Water.
Can I have some water?
Water.
Okay.
Kinukorek ka, Leng.
Okay. Oh, strawberry hot, nuggets cold.
No.
Ay.
Strawberry cold nugget hot.
Oh, wow.
Like that.
Like that.
Ayusin mo kasi, Leng. Te.
Look ugly. Saan niya natututunan yun?
Sino?
Ito.
Sa akin niya ata yun ano eh. Kasi pag pinipicturean niya ako, sabi ko, ay look ugly kayo din. Sa akin niya yung naririnig. Grabe.
What happens?
Where are we going now, Kaden?
Wala ba bing sasakyan, Leng?
Wala akong nakita eh. Kasi lahat nakapark.
Mommy!
Ah, saan ako magandang dadaan? Pa dito? Kasi parang may...
Happy.
Happy.
No worries.
Ah, dito na lang kasi parang ano yung ano ko eh.
Happy.
Hot cake cold. Hot nugget hot. Strawberry cold.
Yeah. Strawberry hot, pancake cold, water big.
Hi, not water big.
Oh.
And the world donuts are gonna peel all the world.
Oh. Oh, do you want some water?
Water.
Do you want some too bag?
No.
Okay.
I say no.
Okay.
I don't want to change.
Okay.
You're not gonna change? Where? Murago?
No.
Korean na.
I'll go
Where?
here.
What is that? Notebook, medication, vaccination. What did you? You're so funny.
You're so funny.
No, you're so funny.
Okay.
See, you're so funny. You make me laugh like ha 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 ha.
You're so funny.
No, no, you're funny. No, you're funny.
You're funny. You're funny.
Let's hold hands.
Do that. Do that. Do that. Do that. Do that.
Duda, duda, duda.
Lang kinakain niya yung nuggets niya lang.
Hindi, sinarado niya na.
Bebe, kain ng nuggets, bebe.
Do you want more cold nugget?
No.
Here you go.
That's not cold.
Oh, it's hot.
No, cold.
Okay.
Okay.
Ayaw niya, te. Sinarado.
Matmat. Nag-iyak na si Matmat dito. Oh. Dito kami sa op shop. Oh. Ay. Hi. Hi. Ang ganda na mata ni Matmat. Eh. Dito lang talaga sila oh, sa mga ano, laruanan.
My God.
Gusto mo yan, bebe?
I
You want that? Ano to? Ang cute to. Parang bago pa.
want the big car. I want the big car.
Ang laki na ito. Ay, may mga bala, no? Nakakatakot yan. Yeah, sabi niya, let's buy this one, yeah?
Uy, huwag kayo umiyak.
Dito pa kami sa op shop. Hi! Patawanin mo lang. Ay,
Bilis siya mag-start.
Ayan, tawa-tawa. Ay, ang cute naman ni Matot. Dito kami sa ano, living emporium. Mag-ano daw si Marcel, magagastos. Ay, ang cute na ito sila, oh. Wala, ang cute na ito, oh. Ito, makit, 49.
Pag nalaglagan to, masakit to.
Ano,
Lagi
dinosaur
nalalaglagan
sila.
si Miss din eh.
Ang cute, oh. Ang mahal nga lang. Ano mo siya? $49, $50 na.
Ah, may istro solo.
Wala, ang cute. Ang cute, oh. Kaso mahal pa. Pero magmumura yan sila pagka ano. Ito nga, ano lang, oh. $10 sila. Ano yan?
Siguro $10.
Oh, yan.
Travel.
Travel ano. Pero makit din siya, oh. Mahilig ako sa bottle, eh. Sala yung maganda yan kasi less tinsel.
Ay, pala.
Okay.
Hindi sila uminom ng tubig eh.
Parang walang masyadong taon ngayon, no?
Kanina natin ito. Hindi sila
Ito talaga nakukitan.
lang siya inom.
Halatang matibay siya. Ang cute din ito, yellow silo. Ay, sus. Sorry.
Fresh siya ngayon. Pero
Ay,
sa
alam,
tayo,
cute.
ano lang to.
Ano lang pala to sa ano niya? Nalaglag ko pa. Sorry. Ito tayo, Sel. Baka meron pa. Nang? Mga ano? Magkano siya? Nag-sale siya?
Nag-sale.
Magkano?
10.
Ah, pwede na. Parang dati nandoon yung sale nakalagay. No? May tali. May tali siya, di ba?
Kasi mapasok eh.
Ang cute na mga baso, oh.
Yung siyang bag.
Wala, ang cute naman na ito. Magkano to siya?
Saan siya i-istro?
Kapag nag-ano ang tawag doon, Sel?
Hirap nito.
Yung mga
Picnic?
biscuit.
Oo, yung mga
Diba?
ano, platter.
Oo, mga cheese platter. Magkano siya? 49.
49.50.
Maganda yun pang regalo.
Ito may ano, pipitsin no. Para madali mabasag.
Pang picnic, no? Parang pang picnic siya. Yung kunya ilalagay mo mga pika-pika mo, no?
Sure ba ito na hindi papasok yun? Kaya tulagpas yung Kayla?
Parang si Kayla.
Tulungan niyo ako dito.
Kayla nga. Tapos na, Leng? Tapos na? Ay, yung susi. Susi daw, malamig kasi sa labas. Sige, punta na kami dyan. Okay, bye. Ang cute naman ito, Sil.
Ganito si ano, si Fiona.
Ito, makit oh. Ang cute na ito. Sil, parang sa disco yan, oh. Ang cute.
May ano, istro.
Ito, ano naman to? Marami na rin sila mga gandang ano, no?
Ng alcohol.
Ah, alcohol? May electric fan? May fan siya?
May battery.
Ah, may battery. Oh.
Dati siya sila yung nag-release yun.
Ang ganda ng mga plants, oh. Fake plants. Ayan.
Lambot masyado.
Ang cute naman na ito. Ito yung mga fake, oh, na plants. Wait lang, nilalamig na daw si Kayla.
50 na lang sila.
Dito kami sa ano, parkingan. Nag-order kami ng pagkain dun sa kapitbahay namin eh. Hindi pa tapos. Wala pa no? Hindi pa umiilaw yung ano malay. Hindi pa umiilaw. Gutom na. Kain pa tayo dun kay ano.
Kaya ano.
Mateo! Matmat!
Ay, water gusto niya.
Hi! Tapos na kami kumain. No? Grabe yung gutom namin eh pa. Yung sugat?
Ay, water niya.
Ah, you wanna go there? Sige, open ko, open ko.
Malakpok.
Oh, there, there's a key. I thought
Labas kayo?
O, gabi ano nga sa tulog yan. Alas 12.
Sige. Sige kayong dalawa. Maglaro sila dito sa labas. Eh. Bebe, matamaan ka, Bibi, ah. Laro sila. Eh? Tuwan-tuwa, ah. Oh. Sige, sige. Ay, wait lang. Ate Kari, wait lang. Si Tintin gusto ata bumaba. Okay. Oh, video okay muna, oh. Sel, kain ba, Sel? Ayan, oh, may tulog na, oh. Uy, tulog na ang siyabilita namin, oh. Dahil sabi niya, bahala kayo kahit maingay dyan. Inan ko nga muna to. Ay, sa kwarto. Ano ba yun eh? Kanina pa ata siya nagsasalita dun eh.
Oh, I wish I was a doctor who could heal your broken heart, analyze each bruise and hear your story from the start, and stitch up every tiny tear with a ribbon and a bow. Prescribe you some new medicine that makes you feel less